What's happening to her nose?
Turning blue.
Violet, you're turning violet.
I'm terribly sorry.
I'm back. Chewing, 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 chewing all day long. Hello, we're back with another makeup look. And tonight I wanted to do something really easy and also super fun, and I thought it was really super cute. Can you guess who I am? Now look, I know this ain't exactly the right wig, so don't try and come for me, okay? We just improvising and making it work. So, if you have naturally blonde hair, this would be a really cute Halloween makeup look for you. You just need you a jogging suit, put some blue stuff on your nose, and you're good to go. So, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Oh my god, back at it again with another makeup tutorial. So, I promise you guys, I am going to use some products in my next makeup video that you've never seen me use before, but today we're going to start off with the same old stuff, my Smashbox Primerizer, my face moisturizing spray, and this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And back at it with foundation. So let's see if I can match my perfect color today, because we both know that neither one of these are my colors. So let's find out. Okay. We're looking matching. I like it. Blend that shit in real nice to her face. Alright, back in with the NYX Wonderstick for our contouring. You know, we gotta set underneath the eyes where the concealer is, so we're just gonna do that. And then we're gonna highlight underneath of our contour, and then we're just gonna blend it in. Alright, you know I need a little bit more contour. We gotta bronze the forehead and the nose and underneath my jawline. So yeah. Alright, now we're finally ready for eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in here with a nice real soft brown. So I'm gonna use this Milk Chocolate from my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I love brown neutral shadows, and I feel like Too Faced has really good brown shadows, but I'm getting ready to try to go back in here with their pink, and it doesn't work. It's like their light colors they don't work. Their shimmers work really good and their browns work really good, but look at this. There was like nothing showing up on my lid. So of course, back to my trusty pizza palette. Their pigment is like pigment the house, sis. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure they're not sold out if you want to go get yourself one of these. They also have really cool ones. Like, they have a taco palette and like a burger palette. So go check those out. They're really cool. All right, now we're going to highlight the shadow, girl. Blend it out. So I just wanted to do a really simple makeup for Violet's makeup. She's a little kid, so we're not doing anything heavy, just a nice neutral pinky kind of shadow. Alright, I am using my Don't Leave Your Brows at Home Julep pin. I don't know. I don't know if I should call it a pin. I'm not sure, but whatever. But I am giving away one of these brand new. I've never used it. Giving it away in my giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers, so be sure to subscribe. You can win this and a Jeffree Star highlighter and a Jeffree Star lipstick, a mascara, some skincare products, really good. So make sure you subscribe. All right, girl, time for highlighter. So we're just gonna highlight. I know Violet probably doesn't highlight, but girl, we're gonna highlight. Now we're gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics palette. I really love this palette, even though Rich Lux tried to shade James Charles mini palette and talk about how the pans were small, like BH Cosmetics size pans. Like, but these color qualities, y'all, are the bomb. Can we talk about that at the house? So I'm gonna go in with this nice purple shade. So we're gonna do purple first, and I wanted to make sure also that I did highlighter on my nose before we did the shadow, so it's gonna come through the shadow. So we're gonna do this nice purple first, and what's great about Violet's makeup is that you can really customize it to however much you want on your face. If you want more out onto your cheeks, that's fine. If you want more into your forehead, you know, you can do that. So I was just kind of playing around, testing it out, and this is what I liked. I kind of just liked the starting transition of her turning into a blueberry. So now we're gonna take this darker indigo shade, and we're gonna go over it with this darker indigo shade. All right, now let's give a little color to the cheeks with my Blushing and Bali palette. And the last step we have is just some Carmex. This is really my go-to lip gloss. I don't like sticky lip gloss or anything like that. Keeps my lips from getting chapped. It's my go-to. Get you some Carmex. And that is the completed look! I get way too excited. See how fun and simple that was? So great for last minute costumes. If you have boys, you know, if you have a boy and a girl, you can do one Violet. If you got a boy, you can throw a cowboy hat on him, call him Mike TV, and call it a night. Well, I hope you guys like this tutorial. I will be coming at you with some new ones in the future, so if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, make sure you subscribe so you can be entered into the makeup giveaway, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. All right, love ya. Peace.